shadow vibe apps. I have such access to tools where I can automate my own processes that I'm basically making apps to solve my own problems without going through any of the governance, right? It's so accessible to me. I can just make my own automations. I can create my own potentially agentic solutions to my own problem so that I can have more early glasses of wine because I've taken care of everything I need to in the day. I wanted to spark Sasha's interest and pass this one over to him first.
That was my keyword. Um, I suppose when you work from home, we all are in the situation when the mouse doesn't move often enough, we go into like a hibernation mode. Maybe with the wipe code stuff, I can create a small tool that will move my mouse and IT won't notice. So it's a shadow app,
We'll
isn't it?
call them
Uh,
dodgy vibe apps now. Um,
well, I mean, it is a real problem.
yeah.
We tend to use these tools. So we used to do any kind of tool in the past, and IT had to put a lock in front of it for security reasons. And now giving employees such a powerful tool so they can build their own following recipes in the internet, basically, that opens a can of worms that can be very, very dangerous, particularly when those are used by people who have no idea of IT. So they don't really know what is the impact of a possible outcome, and that is far worse than having a glass of wine too much, I suppose.
I
No,
think
very
that
true.
the shadow vibe apps are the really just the next evolution of shadow IT. So what we should see in the next year or so is software coming out that detects these shadow vibe apps. Flush is right. This is going to become a real problem, not just for individuals, but for the companies because they're going to have stuff running that they don't know about. And then we already have situations where people are spinning up things in the cloud, and then that has unexpected costs. And like, this is just going to escalate all of that.